Hello guys. So I was trying to figure out how to clean my dusty living space without getting dust all over me and breathing it in. So I went to Family Dollar and I found this 3-in-1 versatile vacuum from Dirt Devil. It costs me $24. So I decided to assemble it in front of you guys in case anybody wants to see how I assembled it. It's pretty simple. Please keep on watching and see how I assembled it. After, I am going to share with you a small clip of how my cleaning process went. I just want to remind you that I cleaned my apartment yesterday and it was super dusty. I wish I took a picture of it. Unfortunately, I did not because I didn't expect to film this video today. If you keep on watching, you are going to see how satisfied I was with this vacuum. I will definitely keep it. I will be using it. I will never have dust all over me. I'm so glad. But my only complaint is about the noise. It's a little bit noisy, guys. I just want to let you know that. And I have inserted a clip of it in action. I love the fact that I only need one vacuum to clean my hard floor and my small rug. I'm able to go under my sofa, under my little working station, and it's just very convenient. I just want to remind you guys, I cleaned my apartment yesterday, and it's just unbelievable to see what I'm seeing now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.